Nature climate change. This leads to global warming and climate change. The world is now warming faster than at any point in recorded history. Warmer temperatures over time are changing weather patterns and disrupting the usual balance of nature. This poses many risks to human beings and all other forms of life on Earth. Snow accumulation is critical for water availability in the Northern Hemisphere 12, raising concern that global warming could have important impacts on natural and human systems in snow-dependent regions 1-3. Although regional hydrologic changes have been observed e.g. 135, the time of emergence of extreme changes in snow accumulation and melt remains a key and known for assessing climate change impacts 36.7. We find that the CMIP5 Global Climate Model Ensemble exhibits an imminent shift towards low snow years in the Northern Hemisphere, with areas of Western North America, Northeastern Europe, and the Greater Himalayas showing the strongest emergence during the near-term decades. And to see global warming, the occurrence of extremely low snow years becomes widespread by the late 21st century, as do the occurrence of extremely high early-season snowmelt and runoff, implying increasing flood risk, and extremely low late-season snowmelt and runoff implying increasing water stress. Our results suggest that many snow-dependent regions of the Northern Hemisphere are likely to experience increasing stress from low snow years within the next 3 decades, and from extreme changes in snow-dominated water resources. If global warming exceeds to Celsius above the pre-industrial baseline, as greenhouse gas emissions blanket the Earth, they trap the sun's heat.